Maybe it's a mistake, but you learn how to make a strange place feel like home. Maybe someone was your home. Then you'll meet your own shadow and call it a friend. Some days you'll try to hide your tears in the rain so that nobody sees it. You will yawn in public so that nobody figures that you are tearing up. Then maybe you will dive into the unknown and find your lungs go numb all the way, and your soul too. But then you will learn to be the one to ask and also to answer. You will miss everything, but you will learn to live a life not built for anybody else but you. You can't unlearn them, but you will learn to live with it. The moon is so peaceful, but you can't have it, right?